Hi mamas, I'm Shen and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana, where I share hacks, tips and reviews on products just for mamas. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new solid print diaper wipes pouch clutch from Bumco Baby. So for today's review we are going to go through all the features of the Bumco, and I'm going to show you how I packed this up, how much it fits for disposable diapers and for cloth diapering, because that's what I'm using at the moment. And then I'm also going to quickly compare this with their existing original print, the striped design. And then at the end I am going to wear this so you can see some cool on body shots, okay? So let's get straight into it. Just a quick little disclaimer, I was sent this bag from Bumco Baby, but my review is going to be completely honest. I will talk through any pros or cons or anything that comes to mind. So here I have the new Bumco diaper clutch in their vegan leather solid print black. Okay? And this still has the brown leather trimmings, okay? And it is so soft and supple, this vegan leather. It's just so smooth and it feels lovely, and it even has the leather grains imprinted on it, or not even imprinted, embossed. I'm not sure what way they made this, but it looks like actual leather. It's so soft. So it comes with a short strap. Okay, so this is the same brown as in their original print. So you can tuck this under your arm, or you can clip the two together. Okay, so when you clip these together, then it's just a quick little grab handle. I'm going to take this off. I don't tend to use this. Okay, and it also comes with a long strap in the same vegan leather. And this is really high quality. I'll just give you very quick measurements here. So I have a ruler here. This is a 12-inch ruler. It just marks the end of my screen and it gives you an indication on sizing for everything. Just the base from here to here. Okay, this is 24 centimeters long, which is a very good size. And then the strap, not including the hardware, 61.5 inches long. Okay, I normally shorten this a bit, but this is very good length, so it should fit anyone, and it's easy enough to adjust. Okay, and this is so handy to have. I actually mentioned in my previous review, I will link that in the description box down below, but I mentioned in my previous review before that I do use a long strap with this from one of my Jujube bags, because when you have this attached to either side of the D-rings here and thrown over your shoulder, then you can be hands-free going to change your baby. You don't have to look for somewhere to hang your bag to keep it clean. You just need to hang it on your own shoulder to keep it up off the floor. And then when you have everything open, then you could just work away, taking everything out that you needed to change your baby. It's so handy. I genuinely wish I had one of these diaper clutches from the very beginning. Okay, so anyway, this comes with two wipes pouches, and this has the black black plastic lip opening, okay, to match the bag. And so same as the original, they came with two of these wipe pouches, okay, and both of these come with the zippered ziplock opening. So on the outside you have a zippered pocket, which is really nice and deep. Okay, so my hand goes all the way down to the very bottom and all the way across, so this is perfect to put in some little poo bags. And I also have a small little pouch I put in my own essentials. I'll show you that when I pack it up. And then in the inside you have a little dividing slip pocket, so that the wipes go on one side and then you can put your nappies etc. on this side. So I'm just going to do a very quick size comparison between the two pouches, the original design and the new solid prints. So they are the exact same size. If there's any difference, it's just marginal. Okay. And just to mention as well, in the new solids print, they have the black and they also have a denim blue, which looks really cool as well. So the wipes pouch is removable. It's very easy to take out. Okay, you just kind of stretch this opening around the pouch. I'm actually going to use the white pouch from the previous clutch just so that you can see better, okay, with contrasting colour how I put this in. But it's very easy to do. This isn't elasticated, okay, but it's good enough size opening. Okay, so you just need to maneuver the fabric around the opening of the pouch, and then you just run your finger around the rim to tuck everything in. It's actually much easier than the way I did it there. It's just because I don't have this right under my nose and I'm angling for the camera. So in this back pocket here, I am going to put in my little mammy pouch. This just has my essentials that I use all the time: hairband, hand cream, lip balm, basics. Okay, and then I'm going to throw in my little nappy bags. Just a quick tip: if you're at home restocking, just open up the first bag. It just makes it easier when you're out and about and changing your baby that one of them is open already. Zip that up. I currently have 2 in nappies. My toddler was potty trained, but she regressed. So anyway, I have 1 size 5 pull-up diaper here and then 2 size 3s. So that's 3 nappies in here, lots of room. And then I have a light change pad here from Jujube. So I have that folded up and I put it into this front slip pocket here with the wipes pouch, because that's just like where I like to tuck everything that's nice and flat. And I also like to put in a small wet bag as well. So this one is from Jujube. It's the mini wet bag in the Duchess print. And because I combination diaper, so at home I cloth diaper, but I bring disposables out with me because I don't have that many cloth diapers to spare. So then I pop the disposables there, and so here in the front pocket I have the wipes, the change pad and my mini wet bag, and then on top is where I put the bum cream. Okay, zip that up and that is very nice and spacious. And then just a quick tip, I like to keep the long strap hooked onto this when I put it into my diaper bag, but to keep the strap out of the way, what I like to do is I just clip it onto one side, and it's the side where the zip is when the bag is closed. And then I will quickly wrap the strap up in my hand. And actually, just to mention, it's hooked onto a swivel clip, so the strap will straighten itself out. And then I just unzip this little pocket here and I tuck the strap in so that the strap is out of my way when I pop this into another bag. Okay, nice and handy. I absolutely love this bag. I think it looks so good and the leather is so soft. I couldn't recommend this enough. Now I do want to mention, alright, I did have a small issue with the zip here at the back where it kind of popped open, but this can happen with any of these type of clutches, especially when you pack it up quite full. So what I do is to fix this and any other bag where the zip opens up at the back, I just pop it inside out right here so that the zip can go all the way down. So push the zip in all the way and then flip it back over again and then zip it up, and that should fix it. With some bags, alright, if it does open up a couple of times again, what you do is you just keep doing what I did, and when the bag softens up, it should stop popping open. And with any of these new bags, they can be a bit stiff, so you could have these issues. I don't like to send things back willy-nilly, especially since it's just a resource on the planet, on the environment, and on small businesses. So little things like that, I just fix myself doing what I did. Okay, and I don't have that issue with this bag anymore. I think this bag looks so good, and it's absolutely perfect for errands where you only want to carry just a couple of nappies with you. If you're running to the shopping centre and you don't need to bring a whole load with you, this is perfect. So I'm just going to pack this up with some cloth diapers just to show you how everything fits in. Okay, so I'm going to take out my 3 nappies and I'm going to pop in 2 of my cloth diapers. So I have the Little Lamb pocket nappies here. Okay, and I have hemp and cotton booster in both of these. Just going to need to turn this towards me. And then pop the bum cream in between the 2 nappies. And this zips up perfectly. Like I said, at the moment I don't bring cloth diapers out with me. I've only because I don't have enough to spare. Okay, but like this does fit 2 cloth diapers easily. Just wanted to add as well that these are actually my favorite wipe pouches because the mouth opening is so big. So for wipes like the water wipes, it can be kind of difficult to peel off each of these sheets one by one, even in the original pouch. But because this has such a wide opening, it's not an issue at all. I've actually purchased a couple of white pouches and I find that this is the best one because of the wide opening. So even just for the 2 white pouches alone, I feel that it's worth purchasing. Never mind that I love the clutch in itself. Okay. Review of the Bumco Baby diaper clutch, and if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up, and if you're going to buy this clutch, let me know what colours you're going to buy it in. I'd love to hear from you. So until the next video, thank you and goodbye.